welcome viewers. How are you all? I hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Smart Collections Plus. In this video, discover adorable and creative baby sandal designs for 2 to 3 years old. From stylish summer sandals to soft and comfy everyday wear, we have got unique ideas to keep your little one's feet fashionable and comfortable. Whether you prefer vibrant colors, cute embellishments, or simple yet elegant styles, this collection has it all. Perfect for any occasion, be it a casual outing or a festive celebration. Don't miss out on these trendy and practical designs. Like, comment, and subscribe for more baby clothing and accessory ideas. As we wrapped up this video, I want to say a huge thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are always updated on my latest uploads. I would love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay tuned for more exciting content and see you in the next video.